In this video, I'm going to talk about how to create materials and material properties in Ansys Workbench. First, we are going to create static structural analysis. In order to define material properties and create new materials, we need to go to engineering data. By default, we have a structural steel as the default material, and we can see some of the material properties in this table down here. And if we have some other materials, we can click here, the next row, to create a new material. So for example, for this question here, we have like a material with Young's modulus to be 209 gigapascals. And so is different from this 200 gigapascals here. So we can just click here to add, we call that steel, and to create a new material. After we create the material, we just go to the toolbox to select necessary material properties. In this case, for Young's modulus, we go to elasticity because this is an isotropic material. Just go to isotropic elasticity and double click. Then we have a table down here, and highlighted like areas are the inputs that we need to provide. So for this isotropic material, we need to have two elastic constants. And there are a few options like Young's modulus and the Poisson ratio, or shear modulus and Poisson ratio, and so on. So the most convenient or commonly used just to use the Young's modulus. So we type 209 E9, so gigapascals, and the Poisson's ratio is just 0.3. And then we have this material called steel being defined. And if we have another material, maybe like aluminium, we just create another one. So likewise, we go to isotropic elasticity and maybe 70 gigapascals E9 and 0.3. So just a typical Poisson's ratio. So note here that we can pull down to change the unit of the Young's modulus. If we change to GPa, we can see that it's just 70. And apart from like elasticity, we can also add density and also like a coefficient of thermal expansion, and the available material properties will be dependent on the analysis type. So if you create a steady state thermal analysis, you will see some thermal properties there. Okay, I'll stop here and thank you.